Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how to use DegreeWorks, which is a very important tool that you will need in order to graduate. So first we're going to discuss a little bit about login. So you can claim your credentials by going on www.cuny.edu and click on the login on the upper right corner and scroll down to DegreeWorks. So it looks something like this. Log in with your CUNY first credentials. Once you log in, the page should look like this. And you have to click on DegreeWorks. DegreeWorks has fun tools to keep in track of your GPA and keep calculating them for every semester that you take. It estimates your GPA and how it will be at the end of the semester, and you can also contact your counselor for more information if you have any classes you want to withdraw or drop. Once you declare a major, DegreeWorks will keep track of all of your classes you have taken and you need to take. This will help you keep track of your classes and keep you on schedule in order to graduate on time. Another fun thing about DegreeWorks is that even if you haven't declared a major, you can still use it and keep in track of your pathways, meaning your general education courses and so on. All right, so now that we're actually going to begin to see how we use DegreeWorks, something very important to keep in mind is that it only works in the Firefox browser. So if you try it on Google Chrome, it might not work. So now that we got the CUNY login here, we're just gonna input our information. And this is the page that we get it into, and now we're just gonna click on here. So the first thing that you will see is worksheets. So a worksheet is a basically checklist of all of your requirements. The first one of the sections for checklist is degree and Bachelor of Arts, which is actually the chosen degree in this case. So here you will see a list of GPA requirements met, CUNY skills assessment requirements, which are any exams that you need to take or any tests, which you should take on your freshman incoming year. CUNY pathways, general education requirements, college option for BA and BS and BFAs, and major requirements. So here we have the CUNY skill assessment requirements, the pathway general education, which are just general education courses that you need to take in order to get your degree. The BA, BFMA, BMUS, and BS degree. Here we have like other requirements and major requirements and non-credit contributions and also elective classes. So I really like this list because it keeps you on track and up to date with everything that you will need to do throughout your whole entire college career. Now, clicking on the what if. The what if is a very fun tool, which if you haven't picked a major yet, you can actually pick a major here, whichever one you would like, and just press refresh after you pick the major, and it would give you, well, you have to click that plan of academic year, and it would just give you a list of courses that you need to take and credits that you're missing, and it would just give you a plan for the study that you are taking into consideration. This is in the case that you haven't chosen a major yet. You can also use this if you have chosen a major, you want to pick a concentration or a minor. It will let you know your estimated graduation year and other classes that you need to take. Even if you have a major, this can give you an amazing plan. Now, using the looking ahead, this is just showing you courses which you plan to register in the future. So this is just giving you a plan of things that you need to take just to be a little bit more organized. Now, using the middle tab, which is the transfer what if, here you would need to submit any pick majors or plans or courseworks that you would like to use if in the case that you are transferring, and using your coursework history, which will show you how many credits will transfer if that is what you're looking for. Now, one of the tools that was really helpful throughout the college career is the graduation calculator. So for example, a lot of courses are very difficult and you may not get the grade that you desire. So using your current GPA, you can see what credits or how many A's you would need in order to graduate with your desired GPA. So all you will need is your current GPA, how many credits you have remaining and are required, and the GPA that you would like to graduate with, and it would just give you a list of options or just what they require you to get in order to get that GPA. Now, using the term calculator, which is the second option here, you will have to insert your current GPA and your credit earns up to date and just enter your classes that you are currently taking that specific semester and enter the grades that you would get and the credits of each class. Now, using this, and if you don't know which credits you're going to get, you can put your desired class grade that you are hopeful to get in order to calculate what you will get for that term. Now, for current term GPA, this is the advice calculator. That's where you will have to insert the current term GPA, the credits earned up to date, and also your desired GPA. This is super similar to the graduation calculator, but it doesn't give you like a whole plan for all 4 years. It just gives you what you have up to date and what you will need in order to get your desired GPA for that term or for graduation, so it can work both ways. Now, I do hope that this how to use DegreeWorks video was super helpful and will help you throughout your entire college career. Good luck.